Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how to make your Instagram story more interesting using stickers or GIF. So for example, click your story and select your photos or videos, or you can take by camera, for example. So to make more interesting with the GIF, with the chip or I think stickers, you can select this icon and then select chip. Just search by keyword, for example. Alright, select sticker that you like. You can adjust the size and the position using your boot fingers. Right, add more. So to look more interesting, I think. So that's it. Simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.